Okay, we're kind of at a Thai temple right here, unusually. I'm gonna get a little bit closer and kind of show you what's around here as well. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in Macau, and we're kind of at this Thai temple. I don't know the name of this. I guess I'll look it up and find out later. But and I'll give you the context of it. But let me get a little closer because it's quite beautiful. So yeah, it's real nice. I don't think I want to get much closer than that. I'll just give it a little bit of respect. A lot of people come up here to this little Thai temple, and I'll give you some context of where it's at. So you have kind of interesting buildings like that blue one. Some amazing balconies up there. Really like that a lot. This is kind of show you what's around here a little bit. Look at that. It's a strange little building up there. A lot of strange buildings. So there's also a Grand Dragon Casino right here and Grand Dragon Hotel. There's Jockey Club over there. Galaxy Casino over there. There's a giant train line. So let's see if we can get across here. I don't know if we can get across, but there we go. So we're just going to try to capture a little different angle. Some scaffolding next to Grand Mart. And if you can see straight ahead, there's the Morpheus building. So that's our focus for this one anyways, right there. And we'll try to give you some more context for stuff. Galaxy Casino, Morpheus Casino. So that one way down there, that's unusual shaped one. That one is kind of hidden too. It's kind of hard to see from most areas, so it's interesting that I can see it from here so easily. Kind of cool looking. There's also Grand View Hotel right here. I think we're gonna just kind of come back and look at our Thai temple. That's the Macau Jockey Club right there. And there's our Thai temple right in that little area. Let's just close it right here, kind of short and sweet.